Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. First, you need to enable TradingView inside your NinjaTrader account. Open your browser and go to the NinjaTrader website. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the user profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, click on the Plans tab. Scroll down until you see Plan Add-ons. In this section, you will find TradingView listed as an available add-on. Select TradingView. The cost is $9.99 per month. Complete the activation process to enable the integration. Now let's connect inside TradingView. Open TradingView and load any chart. Click on the Trade button at the top right. You will see a list of supported brokers. Find NinjaTrader in the list and click on it. Then click Connect. A login window will appear. Enter your NinjaTrader username and password, the same ones you use for the account dashboard. Choose whether you want to connect to a live or demo account. After selecting your account type, click Connect. Once connected, you can place trades directly from TradingView using your NinjaTrader account. Thanks for watching.